Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to Publix. These deals run from June the 18th through June the 24th, and we have some amazing deals this week. If you've not already followed me on my social media channels like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, please do so. It is all the same handle, Praising and Saving, and you can also visit my website, Praising and Saving. I would love to have you on all of my platforms. Now, as always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. Let's get started on our first deal. So the first deal is on this Persil laundry detergent, and I absolutely love the way Persil laundry detergent smells. So the laundry detergent is $16.99. It is buy one, get one free. So each bottle of this Persil laundry detergent is going to be $8.50. There is a high valued Ibotta rebate on the Ibotta app for $4 back. That Ibotta rebate is going to make the Persil laundry detergent $4.50. Now, you could do this deal up to 2 times if you wanted to with this Ibotta rebate. Think about this. This detergent was $16.99, and I was able to show you how to get it down all the way to $4.50. That's an incredible deal on a large bottle of laundry detergent. This next deal on the Persil little packs is even better. So the Persil packs are $14.99. They are buy one, get one free. Being buy one, get one free is going to make them $7.50. There is a high valued $5 Ibotta rebate on the Ibotta app, making these laundry packs just $2.50. Now, you can do this deal up to 2 times, which I am going to do because I'm maximizing my savings. If you are not using Ibotta, there is a referral code in the description box, so please check it out. You get a kickback, and I get a kickback as well for signing up. Now, this next deal is going to be my deal of the day, and I've got a couple things on here that I will be sharing with you. Now, we do love our kitty in our household, and this Purina Kitten Chow is going to be all the way down to 61 cents after the BOGO and the coupon. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 bags of the Purina Kitten Chow. It has to be the Kitten Chow. Do not buy the Cat Chow. The 2 bags, because they're on BOGO, is going to cost $6.71. There's a high valued $5.50 coupon when you buy 2 on the Publix app. So using that coupon is super simple because all you're doing is going to the Publix app, you're clipping that coupon, you're putting your phone number in the register, and you're getting this Purina Kitten Chow for 61 cents per bag. That's an incredible deal. Now, let's say this. Let's say you don't have a cat. That is fine. This is a great item that you could donate to animal shelters. So 61 cents for each bag of the Purina Kitten Chow. Just make sure you pick up 2 bags. In addition, if you don't have this coupon on your Publix app, check the coupons.com app because I was able to print off 2 of these coupons as well. So there's the $5.50 coupon on the coupons.com app as well. So the Purina Party Mix is my kitty's favorite treat. She eats this party mix every single day. She's constantly asking for it. So it's $13.99 or about $7 a box, a container. What we're going to do is pick up 2 containers. Your total will be $13.99. This $5.50 coupon is also attaching. So if you don't want to buy the cat food, you can buy the treats. So picking up 2 containers, your total is $13.99. The $5.50 coupon is attaching. It's going to bring your total down to about $8.50 or $4.25 each. And this is a really good deal because this is the large container of treats. I usually get a regular size container at Walmart for $8, and this is the large container. So such a good deal on this for $4.25 for our kitty. If you are loving these deals, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that like button and also smash the notification bell. When you do that, it notifies you whenever I post any of my videos. So the next deal is on the Bronny paper towels. These are $15.49. Now you do have a couple deals on these because they are buy one get one free. It will bring your price down to $7.75 for the paper towels. In addition to that, there is also a coupon. I don't have this coupon, but there's a coupon I know that if you donate at the register, there's like a donation leaflet. If you donate, there's also a coupon. I don't have that. But what I do have is I have this $2 coupon on the Publix app. This $2 coupon on the Publix app expires on Sunday, so make sure you use it quick, and that's going to bring your total down to $5.75 with that $2 um Publix digital coupon. But if you do have that coupon from the leaflet that's at the register, you can use that coupon in addition to the digital coupon. So the digital coupon works plus your leaflet coupon if you have that, but I don't have that right now. Another great deal on paper products is this Quilted Northern bath tissue. This is the 4 to 16 rolls. It's $7.99 on BOGO, which makes it $4. However, you may see a Quilted Northern coupon on the Publix app that is not attaching to this size. So be careful. I just wanted you to know it is not attaching, but still a good deal, $4 on the toilet tissue. I'm loving this deal because these kids are eating me out of ketchup and home. So the Heinz ketchup this week is the one I'm getting is $3.99. That's the size I am getting. So it is buy one get one free, which makes each bottle $2. Now I have a threshold coupon, which means if you spend a certain amount, you'll get a certain amount off. So for this coupon, if you spend $15, you get $3 off. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy 8 bottles of the Heinz ketchup. Buying 8 bottles is gonna make my total $15.95. Then we're going to use that Publix digital coupon for $3 off 15. So $15.95, that $3 off is going to bring it down to $12.95 or about $1.62 per bottle of ketchup. This is going to take you all the way in probably until Christmas with this stock up on ketchup. In my house, it might take me to the end of summer. Who knows? Do you guys eat a lot of ketchup in your house? Because my kids sure do. And I've been hearing that they're going to start taking away a lot of different like dyes in ketchup. So that makes me even happier for my kiddos. Pretty good deal on the creamer this week. I always try to make sure I bring a creamer to you guys' attention every week. Because creamer to me can be expensive. But this International Delight creamer is usually $4.59. It is buy one, get one free, so it'll be $2.30. No coupon on this, just a decent deal on creamer. Let me know your favorite bacon brand in the comments. Mine is the Ormel. I love the Black Label bacon, but this week we have the Oscar Mayer bacon. It is on sale. It's buy one get one free. It's usually $10.99, but it's buy one get one free. So each pack is $5.50. What you're gonna do is pick up 4 packs. Picking up 4 packs, your total is going to be $22. There is a threshold coupon on the Publix app that when you spend $20, you'll get $5 off. So that's going to make your bacon a total of $17 for 4 packs or about $4.25 a pack. But let me know if you're getting this. I'm not sure if I am or not. Next up is this Hillsshire Farm smoked sausage. It is $5.99. I'm going to get this because probably a couple months ago I got these like a red beans and rice. It's not rice, but I got the red beans seasoning packet. I think it's called Camellas or Carmelas. I don't know. I got it for the coupon. Anyways, it's really good. We've had it once, but it's red beans with the seasoning. I'm gonna add rice to it, some of this sausage, just smoked sausage, and some shrimp. So just adding up all my couponing things together to make an easy, quick meal. But these are $5.99, and they'll be buy one get one free, so just $3. In addition to that, I did want to point out Cabbage Cheese. I love Cabbage Cheese. And so they've got two different deals going on right now. One is on the shredded cheese is $4.99. So it'll be about $2.50 per bag for the already shredded. And then they also have the block cheese that's $5.19. I am loving the block cheese because my husband bought me one of those KitchenAid it's an attachment to my KitchenAid mixer, and it shreds cheese. Because I cut myself one day, and I guess he just couldn't handle it, me cutting myself on cheese block shredder. So he bought me that. So I'm loving this shredded cheese. But I'm gonna show you a deal later that you can use with the cabbage cheese on some taco stuff. If you wanted to, what I'm gonna be doing is I'll be getting some of the cabbage cheese to make a lasagna because I do like to get the mozzarella cheese for the topping. In addition to that, I will be getting this Galbani ricotta cheese. Now, their Galbani ricotta cheese is $4.09, which is a decent deal on the Galbani cheese. But it's buy one, get one free, which makes me super happy on the buy one, get one free. So it's about $2.05 with the buy one, get one free. But if you go to the Galbani website, you can print off a coupon for $1 off. It's super easy. I'll have it linked in my description box for you for that Galbani website for that dollar off coupon. So it's going to make this Galbani cheese about $1.05 for that cheese. So good item to pick up if you're wanting to make lasagnas or things like that. Put those things together. We are halfway through this video, and I just want to remind you to make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Now, next up is on this Splenda. This is like the liquid water enhancers that you squirt into your water. It is on sale this week at Publix for $5.15. So, I've never tried this. I've tried other, liquid enhancers, but $5.15 is what is on sale this week. And then there's a $2.50 Ibotta rebate. So I thought it was pretty good for that. It's going to bring the total down on this liquid water enhancer to $2.65. So maybe you know somebody in their life that, can't have sugar and this would be good for them. But $2.65 for this with this Ibotta rebate. And this can be done several times. So if this is something you want to stock up on, go ahead and help yourself. You guys know that I talk about feeding kids in this video, and we are all trying to feed our family. And so, one thing I don't need to be doing this entire summer is washing dishes or loading the dishwasher because I've pretty much been doing that all summer. These paper plates are buy one, get one free, so each pack will be $2.05. Get you some paper plates. Stop washing all those dishes. I know you're tired of it. If we could have paper pots and pans around here, we would do it. And also, the Red Baron pizzas are $6.99 or $3.50 each. Go ahead, buy a couple, pop it in the freezer because you know these kids are going to be screaming later on that they're hungry and you don't want to be having to run to the store or get fast food. Next is a really good deal on Cheerios. So the deal I'm doing is going to be on this first coupon that you see there. So there's different size Cheerios right now. The Cheerios, the cheapest one that you can get is $3.79. So you can get the Cheerios for $3.79. They are on buy one, get one free. So that's already a good deal on the buy one, get one free. So at $3.79, the buy one, get one free is going to make them $1 and about 90 cents on those. So $1.90. And then there is a great $1 coupon on the Publix app. That $1 coupon is going to bring your Cheerios down to just 90 cents. Now, if you wanted to, there is a $1 Ibotta rebate on the Ibotta app when you do buy 2 boxes of the General Mills. I just did want to point that out to you. Next up is some Seattle's Best Coffee. It is $9.99. I always try to make sure I bring you some coffee deals as well, like this. And so each bag is gonna be $5. We do the whole bean coffee in our house. So I'm gonna check this out and see if they have any of the whole bean coffee on the shelves, and that's what I'll be picking up. So Seattle's Best is a good deal on coffee. So I'm currently obsessed with this Cleveland Kitchen pickled, like they've got pickled carrots, they got pickled, you know, pickles, cucumbers. But the one I love most is the pickled red onions, and this is a great deal. Now, I've been putting these pickled red onions on my salads every day for lunch, and they are yummy. So these are buy one, get one free. They're usually $6. They'll be $3 with the buy one, get one free. We have a high valued Ibotta rebate for $2 back. This could be done up to 3 times if you wanted to. Because like I usually get the pickles and then I usually get the red onions. So with that $2 back, it's going to bring the total down to just $1. So think about it. You're going from $6 down to $1 with the savings. Such a good deal. So the Taco Bell products are on sale. We usually buy the old El Paso in our house, but if this is something you're looking for a donation item, this might be something you might want to pick up. Or if you like the Taco Bell products, go right ahead. So the seasoning packets are $1.19. That's buy one get one free. It's going to make the seasoning packets just 60 cents. The Taco Bell sauce is $2.39. Buy one get one free is going to make it $1.20. And then the actual boxes are $3.99. Buy one, get one free is going to make it $2. So just a variety of things. You could have tacos tonight for very cheap. All you really need to do is buy, cheese and ground beef and whatever else you need to put on your tacos to make them how you like them. But good deals on the Taco Bell products. No coupons on these. Good deals on the Hungry Jack and also on the syrup because like I said, we don't need to be having these kids asking us every 5 minutes for food when we have food in the house. So this Mrs. Butterworth syrup is $4.49. Buy one, get one free. It's going to make it $2.25. In addition, for that Hungry Jack box of pancake mix, it is $4.99. Buy one, get one free is going to make it about $2.50. So good deals on some breakfast items. No coupons on the Siggies little yogurt drinks, but they are buy one, get one free. So it's going to make it just $1 for each one of these. This is kind of like whole milk is the probiotic yogurt drink. So yummy, yummy on those. I am needing some items before we have our 4th of July cookout, and I saw that these late July tortilla chips, which are super good, super yummy, are on sale. They're the organic ones. They're $5.79 for these. So you'll be picking these up just for $2.90 per bag. I'm definitely going to pick these up and save these for when we have our cookout in a couple weeks. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you made it to the end of the video, please let me know in the comments. It always makes me happy to know that when my supporters are following me, they are watching to the end, because when you guys are engaging in my videos, when you're liking, you're sharing, you're commenting, you're staying to the end, that helps me to be able to keep bringing these videos back to you every single week. So I really appreciate you all. That was 24 deals um, by just using your phone, and a couple printables as well. But I hope you guys have a blessed one. See you in the next one. Thanks.